Hi everyone, this is Parul from Swadesh Creations. I hope you all are doing fantastic. आप जहाँ पे भी हैं, and I also hope that the colors are visible properly. Today we are going to showcase beautiful collection of Banarasi woven suits. Okay, these are festive collection. बहुत ही अच्छे fabrics हैं. And summer special hai, so the fabrics are soft and very comfortable. Couple of fabrics I'll show today. One is mushroom ke suits and the second is glaze cotton. Okay, and they are all very pretty, and I will start showcasing after a couple of minutes. We'll wait for a couple of minutes so that people can join in, and then we will start showcasing the collection one by one. So first we will start with mushroom suits and then we will move to glaze cotton. So let me tell you a bit about what is glaze cotton actually. This is cotton, but it is also being treated with resins and what do you call, starch, heat treatment. ये सब कुछ होता है जिसकी वजह से the fabric becomes slightly shiny and smooth and it looks lustrous. But it is not silk, it is glazed cotton. That is the name, that is how it is called. And how do you maintain glazed cotton? You either dry clean or you do hand wash, which is, separate in cold water and all of that. Soak nahi karna hai kisi bhi fabric ko. And mushroom, of course, is a dry cleaning product. So you have to dry clean mushroom. And mushroom, what is mushroom? So one thread is basically one side, which is the front side is silk and the base is cotton. That is how mushroom is woven, okay? Which makes it wearable during summers, and they are beautiful, of course. So now I will start showcasing one by one, and we will start with mushroom, okay? So the first one is a beautiful color of hot pink, and it's a lovely shade. Look at this. These are definitely double shade type के ये हैं and beautiful ones. Let me show you the kurta. एक second, फाइल इधर आओ, बहुत दूर है ना वो. हाँ, get everything here. So look at this lovely kurta. This is mushroom silk and ये इसका panel है. Look at the panel design. बहुत अच्छी weaving है. This is all hand woven, beautiful one, and very soft fabric. Summers के लिए absolutely pretty one. This is how the kurta is. These are festive suits definitely, and look at the dupatta. A gorgeous dupatta to go along with this suit, and this is how the border of the dupatta is. Beautiful one, and then they have a satin. Very nice fabric of the bottom. So these are three-piece suits. These are festive. These are definitely not daily wear. These are festive suits. So this is suit number 1 and the fabric is mushroom silk. Coming to the next one is a lovely color. Look at the color. This is a beautiful pastel, pastel pink, and it's the way you see the color, that's how the color is, whatever you want to call it, and it's a beautiful one. It's kind of a rose. See, ये इसका कुर्ता है, beautiful कुर्ता, पूरा भरा हुआ है, आगे पीछे सब इसमें, it's the same design. And then this is how the dupatta is. A beautiful dupatta, lovely dupatta. This is suit number 2. Fabric is mushroom silk. Weave is Banarsi. This is how the palla is, and it comes with a bottom, which is this. So these are very comfortable. Summers में आप इनको पहन सकते हैं. And let me also show you, you know, how mushroom का back is. So ये ऊपर देखिए, ये silk का ऐसे lustrous होता है, and back में there is ये वाला mushroom नहीं है. Okay, sorry, that was not mushroom. I'll show you the pink one. Pink दिखाना. So this is how. The other one which I showed was actually glaze cotton. See, ये पीछे से इस तरीके का soft होता है. So this is how mushroom is. And coming to the next one is a green beautiful mushroom suit. Look at this. Self में भी design है, booties भी हैं, and this is how the kurta is. Okay, a beautiful kurta with this kind of a panel. Look at this. Lovely design, and share with you. Lovely design, and this is how the kurta is. Okay, beautiful color of green, and ये देखिए, ये इसका दुपट्टा है. Beautiful दुपट्टा, lovely work, बहुत ही सुंदर इसका. This is how the fabric is. Okay. So, and you can see पीछे से this is very very soft and smooth. So this is suit number 3. Coming to the next one is number 4, which is a beautiful sunset orange. Look at this. धूप छाँव वाला थोड़ा सा shade है. It's a beautiful sunset orange, and that is how the kurta is. Hi Anamika, thank you for watching us. This is a beautiful sunset orange, and ये कुर्ते का panel है. Look at the weave, very very soft fabric, and it's beautiful for summers. These are festive, of course. These are not daily wear. These are festive suits, and look at this dupatta. The dupatta is beautiful one, and इसके पीछे, as I said, there's a धूप छाँव kind of a shade. So the weaving is like that. Can you see? And this is how the dupatta is, a lovely color, and then it comes with a bottom. Bottom is also an orange bottom. This is how the bottom is. So this is suit number 4. Coming to the next one is different suit though. Sorry about that. This is, now we are moving to glaze cotton suits. Okay, अभी तक मैंने जो दिखाए वो सारे मशरू के suits थे. We are moving to glaze cottons now, and I already explained what is glaze cotton. Glaze cotton is cotton which is being treated with resins, with heat, with, you know, there's a lot of process involved, and which makes it shiny like silk. Okay, although it is not silk, it is cotton based, and that is how it is called glazed cotton. Okay, or how do you maintain it? You dry clean it or you hand wash it. Okay, so look at these are in double shades. So ये इसका कुर्ता है, and that is how, this is how the kurta is. और इसके panel में there is a beautiful shade of plum. Okay, ये इसका कुर्ता है. Coming to the dupatta, these are all Banarsi sets. Dupatta is also very beautiful. This is how the dupatta is. Look at this. These are all hand woven. These are definitely beautiful ones. And ये इसका bottom है. This is how the bottom is. This is suit number 5. Coming to the next one is number 6. Look at this. I will show you one suit in mushroom towards the end of the life, and it's also a very gorgeous color. But अभी हम लोग glaze cotton दिखाते हैं. Sorry, glaze cotton में भी we have a lot of variety. Now this is orange with rust orange with this kind of a yellow panel. Okay, अच्छा खासा फैब्रिक है. There's a lot of fabric. You can do all sorts of designing, whatever you need. And look at this dupatta. Beautiful dupatta. This is how the panel of the dupatta is. This is how the entire set looks like. And it comes with a bottom, which is this one. Okay. Coming to the next one. So this was suit number 6. And if you like anything, you can take a screenshot, or you can always reach out to us with the suit number. And what you have to do is just click on the link given in the description. You will reach directly on our WhatsApp. Number 7 is a beautiful maroon with a peach panel. Okay, these are actually beautiful ones. Festival special collection है आज हमारा, wedding festival जो भी आप कहना चाहें. And look at this dupatta. See, this is how the dupatta is. So all this fabric are 2.5 meter dupatta, cotton bottom, dupatta, kurta, bottom, everything. Okay, so this is suit number 7. This one what I'm showing you is number 7. And coming to the next one is number 8, which is this beige. And beige mein there is a different color of panel. Look at this combination. This is how the combination is. This is not yellow, this is slightly cream color hai. And look at this. See, this is how the kurta will be. Okay, and then you can see these booties. There is a silver, there is a gold work and all of that. Okay, and this is all water zari. Okay, and look at this beautiful work on the dupatta. This is how the dupatta ka booties are. And ye iska dupatta hai. And the bottom is of the kurta color. Okay, coming to, so this one was number 8. Coming to the next one, number 9. It's a beautiful blush pink color. और इसमें ना मीनाकारी बूटीज है. What is मीनाकारी? Basically जब बीच बीच में बूटीज के देयर इज अ थ्रेड वर्क ऑल्सो. तो ये यहाँ पे पिंक थ्रेड है, यहाँ पे येलो थ्रेड है. दिस इज कॉल्ड मीनाकारी वीविंग. एंड सो सब कुर्तों के पैनल पे दिस इज हाउ द डिजाइन ऑन द पैनल इज. एंड दीज आर नॉट रियली गोल्ड वाला जरी. दिस इज थोड़ा सा सिल्वरिश कलर है. ओके, विद द टिंज ऑफ गोल्ड इन इट. वैसा शेड है. तो ये है आपका कुर्ता. दीज आर ऑल ग्लेस कॉटन फैब्रिक. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक होता है. एंड दीज आर द हैवी दुपट्टास अलॉन्ग विद दिस. लुक एट दिस. Very very pretty ones, very beautiful ones, very nice gifting options. I'm not telling you the price के लिए आप please हमसे connect करिए. We will tell you all the price and everything. See, this is how the bottom is. This is number 9. Coming to the next one is number 10, which is a beautiful lavender. Look at this lovely lavender. And now wait for the surprise. Lavender के साथ there is this green combination. Okay, beautiful one. ये इसका पैनल में आ जाता है. That is how the kurta is, and the dupatta is a lovely green with this color combination. बहुत ही सुंदर सेट है ये. बहुत ही यूनिक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है. and it looks nice. I mean यूनिक से ज़्यादा the color looks nice always in this combination. And then this is how the bottom is. Okay, this was number 10. Now the next one is again a beautiful ivory white है ये. Okay, and look at this. थोड़ा सा कॉपरिश कलर का जरी है विद सिल्वर कलर. एंड इसका जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो भी बहुत सुंदर है. लुक एट दिस. दिस इज लाइक अ टोमेटो रेड along with this. Very very pretty one. So this is how the kurta is with this kind of a panel. And then the dupatta is pura bhara hua with lovely weaving. This is how the weaving in the dupatta is. And ye iska border hai. And the panel of the dupatta is like this. So this is how the set is. Okay, this is how the set is. And the bottom is also ivory white bottom. This is number 11, set number 11. Okay, coming to the next one is a lovely pink with again a combination which is very rare. ये देखिए, pink and peach. Okay, pink and peach is the combination. A beautiful one, lovely combination. This one is, the fabric is glaze cotton, weave is Banarasi. इसमें booties are all silver booties with these kind of a leaf design. Beautiful one. Okay, and then this is how the dupatta is. Look at this dupatta. It's a peach color का दुपट्टा and a lovely और इसका जो border है वो pink है, which matches with the kurta. So beautiful one. And ये इसका pink bottom है. This one is number 12. And the next one is very pretty combination. This is ice blue. And now with ice blue, what we have is a lovely peach. Okay, beautiful combination. और इसमें silver booties हैं all over. इस तरीके की leaves बनी हुई हैं. These are all silver booties. This is how the kurta is. And look at the lovely dupatta. Beautiful dupatta to go along. And that is how it looks like. Okay, ये इसका पूरा weaving है. And the bottom is again ice blue. This one is number 13. Coming to the next one is number 14, which is a peach kurta और इसके border में there is a purple shade. Very very pretty combinations. ये सारे combination बहुत ही uncommon combination है. And you know, मेरी आदत है live I do really fast, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है you know short duration में you can show much more rather than you know keep explaining about one thing. Explanation बहुत ज़्यादा आपको चाहिए, videos चाहिए, photos चाहिए. हमारी team is always there. We will give you everything what you need. Okay, यहाँ पे you focus on the combinations and whatever you like you can remember the number या आप screenshot भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, this is how the kurta is. And look at this dupatta. A beautiful lavender dupatta with a peach border. So this is how the dupatta is. Okay, and look at this weaving. Now of course the bottom is also peach for this one. This one was number 14, yes. Now there are more 5 more suits which are a little different with meenakari booties. Fabric remains as glaze cotton and I'll show you. See, beautiful yellow. कहीं पे भी आपको yellow पहनना है. This is not a very bright आंखों को चुभने वाला yellow नहीं है. This is a very nice yellow. Look at this weaving. Look at these booties. Very pretty ones. I hope it's all visible. I hope the video does justice to how beautiful these things are. So ये कुर्ता है, आगे पीछे दोनों में you know these designs are there. This is a beautiful yellow. Hi Jigisha, thank you for joining. And this is the lovely Banarasi dupatta along with this. ये देखिए. And this is how पूरा जामावार weave किया हुआ दुपट्टा है and मीनाकारी booties हैं और ये इसका border है. Hi Aditi, thank you for joining. So these suits what I'm showing are of glaze cotton. Glaze cotton is actually cotton which is being treated with resins, with heat, and इसकी काफ़ी processing होती है जिसकी वजह से इसमें ये shine and sheen आता है, which looks like silk but this is not silk, this is glazed cotton. And how do you take care of it? You dry clean it for first few times and then you can hand wash them. Okay, so this is how the meenakari booties on the kurta is. And the same color का दुपट्टा भी है. मैंने इसके पहले बहुत सारे contrast combinations भी दिखाए हैं, तो जिन लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है live, you can always go back to our Facebook page and you can check our live. Okay, so that remains on the page. So this is number 15, a beautiful yellow. Okay, coming to the next one is a lovely shade of brown बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है ये. See with the lemon and a red, pink meenakari booties, okay? And this is how the panel is. What I'm showing ये कुर्ता है, okay? आगे पीछे सब तरफ booties हैं. These are festive suits, but at the same time lightweight, comfortable. Summer में आप पहन सकते हैं. इनके लिए these are summer wear actually. Okay, but yes, these are festive. So daily wear तो नहीं है. These are festive suits. ये इसका दुपट्टा है. So this is all jamawar kind of a weave, but very very lightweight suits these are. So this is how the bottom is. Okay, now this was number 16. What I'm showing you, the brown color is number 16. Coming to the next one, a plum, a lovely shade of plum, and ये number 17 है with this kind of a border on the suit. Look at this, beautiful ones, huh? Lovely ones these are. This is how the kurta is, and the dupatta is a gorgeous heavy jamawar kind of a dupatta. ये इसका दुपट्टा है, beautiful ones. And if you like anything, remember the number, or you can take a screenshot, and what you have to do next is just reach out to us. We will help you with everything. All your questions will be answered immediately, okay? This is how the bottom is. And coming to the next, which is number 18. It's a beautiful green, lovely shade of green. And iska jo, ye dekhiye, this is how the border is, and ये ऐसा कुर्ता है. Coming to the dupatta, which is again a beautiful dupatta. Kurta, dupatta, bottom, everything is 2.5 meters, and enough fabric. आपको जैसा भी सिलवाना है, आपको जैसी भी स्टाइलिंग करानी है, सबके लिए enough fabric है. Okay, so this one is number 18. Coming to the next one is number 19, which is this. It's a pink, and ये इसके कुर्ते का दामन में इस तरीके का है. And then all over मीनाकारी बूटीज तो हैं ही, जो मैंने आपको दिखाई, बाकी में भी and इसमें भी है. Okay, and then the beautiful dupatta that comes along with this is this one. Okay, lovely dupatta, beautiful one. And then the bottom is this. मैंने बताया था एक मशरू सूट हमारा रह गया है दिखाना. मैंने पहले मशरू से ही शुरुआत की थी. So the last one is the mashru which was left behind is coming now. Look at this, a lovely one. It's a heavy work, and look at this. Heavy work है पर light weight है. Okay, it's not really very very heavy. Beautiful ones. ये देखिए, this is how the kurta is. These are all festive wear. These are definitely wedding wear. Okay, ये देखिए, ये इसका कुर्ता है, and the dupatta is this. Look at this. Very very pretty, very beautiful. Look at the weave. ये देखिए, पीछे से भी ये पीछे से है, कितना नीट काम है. Okay, this is how these are woven, and the bottom is also this color. Okay, this is a beautiful wine color, and this is the mushroom. So I hope you all liked our live for the day, and tomorrow again we will bring something nice and something different. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.